Hello friends, welcome back to my channel English with the Hati ma'am. And friends, in today's video I'm gonna make fritters for my all family members. And so friends, today I'm gonna make fritters. I don't know what all ingredients do you put, but in my recipe I put only onion, ginger and little bit garlic, pinch of haldi means turmeric powder, and salt, chilies. That's it. And but in order to make pakoras like aloo ke pakoda, I add only besan, then haldi, salt, and along with little bit turmeric and chilies, and along with thin slices of potatoes. तो दोस्तों जिसको भी पकौड़ी खानी हो या फिर हमारे यहाँ की फुलौरी खानी हो with चटनी, then please come. All of you are invited. And in this new house, this is the first time I'm making these fritters because all the family members they wanted to have. So I decided to make fritters, and I'm the not only one in this kitchen. There are so many members, but they are behind the cameras. I'm in front of the camera. All of them, they are behind the camera. So friends, you can see this is a wok, and in this wok all the fritters are being fried. So we have to wait, and this is a so friends, while frying these fritters I was talking with my sister-in-laws. So I was busy in that thing, and because I can do all the things, I wear too many hats at a single time. I can cook, I can talk, and I was showing to my sister-in-law that look how to make pakoras, means pyaj ke pakoda, fritters of onion. And my father-in-law, he asked me to make this, so therefore I was frying, and you can see the color now. These are turned brown, and I also asked my sister-in-law, means my Nanji, to you can also try, and she was also making fritters because at that very time I was making chutney. I was busy in that thing, and my Devrani, she was holding the camera, so she was shooting that thing, and all of them they were enjoying. Actually, the purpose of my life is to be happy and spread the happiness, so therefore I asked them to let's make some pakoras and serve to our father-in-law and grandmother-in-law, because they are the family members who needs care and who needs extra affection from us. So I always try my level best, and I always teach my sister-in-laws what to do, what not to do, because I believe in that thing. If I have knowledge about anything, then I should share. I'm supposed to share this knowledge with my sister-in-laws, whether they know about this, whether they try to use that knowledge in their personal life or not, but I always share my knowledge with them. And now this is the turn of my Devrani, means my sister-in-law, because she is little bit, I can say, scared of doing all those things. So I also asked her to just you can also try, and you can also enjoy the process of making fritters. So she was also enjoying that thing, and she was happy because she is 1 month pregnant. So I always want to make her happy so that her son would be healthy in the future. And we were enjoying that process of making fritters. So I can say this is a very nice way So friends, now these fritters are ready to serve, but still I also made potatoes, thin slices of potatoes fritters. So I was doing that thing, and I asked my sister-in-law to serve this to our father-in-law, my father-in-law and grandmother-in-law, and she put some pakoras in bowls, and she put that bowls on the plate, and now she is going to give this to my father-in-law and my grandmother-in-law. And this is my house, and they are living. So friends, he is my father-in-law, and he was looking the fritters, and after looking, then he started having, because he likes to have these kind of things, but just because of the age, I don't give him every day. And this is my grandmother-in-law. She's also enjoying fritters. Actually, my grandmother-in-law she's really very naughty, and she's like childish. She's always having childish behavior, and I like her a lot, and she also likes me. And after serving, I spread the mat, and I put all the fritters in a plate, and all of us, we sit around the plate to have these fritters. And I also called my brother-in-law to come and enjoy with us. So all the family members, we were enjoying. My mother-in-law, she is not here because she went to one of our relative to attend a marriage ceremony. So soon she will come, but now all of us, we are enjoying, and you can see we are very happy. And I always put some effort to make my family members happy by taking these very small steps. And soon my brother-in-law came, and he also enjoyed these fritters, because there's no doubt I live in a separate house, but there's nothing like separation. Whatever I cook, I give them. Okay, whatever they cook, they also give it to me. The main thing I always want to do in my life, like, just live happily. There shouldn't be any fight, there shouldn't be any kind of argument between us. And you can see the plate now. All of us, we had the fritters, and now all of us, we were drinking water. And she is the youngest sister-in-law, so she is really very naughty, and she was making funny faces while drinking water. And I hope friends, you like this video, and if you really like this video, then please do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and we will meet soon in the next video. Till then, just keep learning, keep watching my videos, keep practicing, and friends, we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.